I received several questions about this step, the Clark normalization, which is basically dividing the concentration of each element by their Clark. So that part is simple, but there are also some graphics that we can do with it. So let's see an example. Here you have the elements that we're dealing with and their Clarks. So if we do that, if we divide the concentration by the Clark, we have the relative concentration of that element in the sample. The higher this number, the most important that element will be. Okay, so then what we do, we these are formulas. Okay, these are formulas. So the first step that we do is to take this table here, copy, and paste it down here, but just as numbers. Okay, so now we can take that table and copy it again and paste it, invert it. Okay, and once we do that, it will be easy to order them from the smallest value to the biggest value, which is what we did here. Okay, so we see that aluminum, rubidium, lead, all these elements are very low concentration, while other elements like zinc and cobalt are really high. So if we get this table again and we copy it and we just put it here and in reverse again, just to get that column there. Okay, so we get this, and then we create a graphic, a bar chart from this value. We can visually see that which are the elements that are important for the mineralization process in our area. In this case, the manganese, the cobalt, and especially the zinc. Okay, so that is a graphic that you can do, but basically the normalization, as I said, is very simple. You have the Clark fish element, you have the original value divided by the Clark, and that is how you do the Clark normalization.
Welcome to the world of geology and earth sciences with Ricardo Valls, a seasoned professional geologist bringing you over 1,500 videos of unparalleled expertise. Whether you're a budding graduate student, an early career specialist, or a seasoned professional, this channel is your gateway to a wealth of knowledge. Explore a vast array of Earth-related subjects, including geology, geochemistry, structural geology, and the application of artificial intelligence and machine learning in geosciences. Ricardo Valls not only shares his own invaluable insights, but also brings you exclusive interviews and collaborations with other prominent geologists, offering a comprehensive view of the field. Stay ahead of the curve with our latest content, covering everything from unraveling the Earth's secrets to exploring global geological phenomena. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your knowledge and stay at the forefront of the industry. Subscribe now, hit that like button, and share this invaluable resource with your colleagues and friends. Join our growing community of over 2,000 earth science enthusiasts and professionals today. Unlock the secrets of the Earth with Ricardo Valls, your top resource for all things geology. The future of geosciences is here. Be part of it.
Stuck sifting through endless rock samples? Feel like you're spinning your wheels? I was there too until I discovered something game-changing. Check out Geochemistry, Artificial Intelligence, and the Future of Mineral Exploration by Valls Geoconsultant. It'll blow your mind how AI can transform tedious tasks into quick analyses. For instance, sorting minerals isn't just fast, it's ultra accurate. Think zero manual errors. Imagine pinpointing rich deposits with ease thanks to cutting-edge techniques like Hey Nearest Neighbors and support vector machines. This book dives deep into maximizing the potential of Google Earth Engine for our benefit. Friends, Why trudge through the old ways when we can harness powerful tools to enhance our efficiency and uncover secrets hidden beneath the Earth's surface? Jump into the future of geosciences now, grab this book and elevate your expertise immediately.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.